Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we have got a frustrating issue to tackle. Your PC says on even after you have shut it down. The fan, lights and everything else keep running. It is a real headache. But don't worry because I got several potential solutions to help you fix this problem. Let's get started. First up, let's check your power setting. Sometimes a simple configuration can prevent your PC from shutting down properly. Go to Control Panel. Click on Power Options. Then click on Choose what the power button do. Make sure Shutdown option is selected. This tells your PC to actually power off when you click Shutdown. Make sure the Shutdown option is selected. This tells your PC to actually power off when you click Shutdown. Part 2. Disable Fast Startup. If your PC is still on shutdown, the next step is to disable Fast Startup. This feature is supposed to make your PC boost up faster, but still it can sometimes cause shutdown issues. Press the Windows key plus R, open the Run dialog. Type Ctrl and press Enter to open the control panel. Select Power Options. Click on Choose what the power button do. Click on Change settings that are currently unavailable. Uncheck the box that says Turn on Fast Startup and save change. And restart your PC. Now try shutting it down again to see if the issue is resolved. I have restarted my PC. Now let me shut it down. Now we can see that my problem is solved.